相当的浩大。
大家看一下这个阵仗。
来，谁是主唱？谁要唱？
谁是主唱？
怎么会有这些 partner 呢？帮你的团员介绍一下。
那个云创社长，成功创社长，然后就是那个建中那个口技社副社，这也是云创社，对。
那要不要自己讲自己要带来什么歌曲啊
？Sorry seems to be the hardest word。
掌声欢迎一下。
Whatever I gotta do to make you love me? Whatever I gotta do to be cared? What do I do when lightning strikes me? And I wake up to find that you're not there. Whatever I gotta do when lightning strikes me? Ooh. Whatever I gotta do to be heard? What do I do when it's all over? Sorry seems to be the hardest one. Sad, so sad. It's a sad situation, and it's getting more and more absurd. It's sad, so sad. Why can't we talk it over? And it seems to me that sorry seems to be the hardest word. What do I do to make you love me? Whatever I gotta do to be cared? What do I do when it's all over? Whatever I gotta do, whatever I gotta do. And sorry seems to be the hardest word.
谢谢。